Let's import a collection from P2R Projector. So let's do that within our demo folder here. Create a new project. It's got P2R Projector. So we want to put the project description in here, the project owner, the industry, or the industry will be determined on import anyway, will be updated, any attachments that are project wide. So the same as when you're creating a non-import project. So we've got to do our baseline years. So we've got nothing loaded so far. So we've got to start off with our first year. Now what's important here is the very first block that's created in the very first year of the baseline defines the version for the lifetime of the project. So in this case, we want to import a collection that's been previously generated as a collection in P2R Projector, and the version used for that will be the version used for the lifetime of the project. So let's import a project. So this is the project details, the GeoJSON file that you export out of P2R Projector. So this will delete any existing blocks. We don't have any in here, so that's fine. We'll import that, and that defines our year one baseline. That's what that collection is. And we can continue through for each subsequent year. Each time you click a new year, by default, it will copy the previous year, and you can edit that locally by editing the responses for each of the blocks, or do question level responses, or even bulk level responses to apply to all blocks. Or of course, you can import the collections from P2R Projector, and you can do that right through the baseline years. So we get to full year 7. Baseline's got a green tick here. We've got 7 complete years. We can have a look at the summary now for that baseline, and they're all identical. And then similarly, when we do a monitoring report, we can create a new monitoring report. We go and edit that monitoring report. We can select our verifier, add attachments around this year, monitoring period summary details. We tell it what year this relates to. And then when we get to do the practice change, first of all, it's going to copy through the previous year. So in this case, it'll be the final year of the baseline, or we could import a collection as well. So a collection that represents a monitoring period from P2R Projector. And in this case, we're going to delete all these existing blocks and apply the imported layer, which in this case will be identical because it's the same file I'm using each time here for demonstration. So that's how you import from P2R Projector.